BMW M skills. How to use the head-up display. Our M head-up display is a super feature for all fans of M-track or racetrack. What is so special about the M head-up display? It's a display mode for everyone who likes to drive on a racetrack or who wants to participate in M-track days. Because this head-up display clearly shows your current gear right on the windscreen, you can see the RPMs. You also have the gear shift arrow that advises the driver when to shift up. You can also visualize your current speed. And here I have the speed limit information. As you probably know, there is usually no speed limit on a racetrack, so I'm going to turn that off now. As a driver, you are completely free to choose what you want to display. To ride for motorsport, the most important thing, I think, is the gear shift arrow. It can be visualized beautifully. And I personally find it so good because you don't have to take your eyes off the road to look at a normal instrument cluster. That helps you find the optimal braking point or follow the ideal line in a curve, and you are one with the car.